What's up, everybody? It's Miklito here. You know, it's pretty early in the morning because this package just came, and I know it's been a while. Since we've done a video like this, but just like I've uploaded videos, but I just wasn't satisfied with them. I'm probably just gonna stay to unboxings for now, and maybe other stuff. I'm not sure. But I ordered a keyboard because I'm building up my setup. Like, when my setup is fully done, I will, you know, show you guys a video of that. But I will probably be doing unboxings on my gear. I have a case coming in for my PC in a couple of days. Why is this not full? Okay, I think I got it to focus. Well, I'm gonna open up because it has a plastic thing around it. The thing is all white, there's nothing in it. I don't know if there's another box inside, I'm not quite sure. I hope it's the black one because I did order the black one. I don't know why this one's white. Oh, some stuff on the side. I got the brown key one because I didn't really even notice when I was buying it, but I don't really think it matters. Oh, it is the black one. Okay, that's good. Alright, so I'm gonna open up this wrapping and I'll show you guys what's inside. Okay, so I managed to open all this stuff, like inside, and we're gonna open it and we're gonna see what we got. And once you look at that, see if I can like take it off, so I kind of don't want to. Really good. It's not too light and it's not too heavy. Like, it feels good, and I'm pretty sure it's wireless and wired. I don't know where oh yeah, there's the, I don't know if you can see it, but cable right, you can put the cable, and it is RGB. Pretty sure you can download software to change all of that, but it looks pretty. Okay, since I've gotten it out, it was some extra keys in case I guess they break, and then this is the wired cable. Oh, there's a thing to take off the keys, I'm pretty sure, something like that. I've never really like bought like a gaming mechanical keyboard. I've heard this one's good. I've watched a couple videos, so I hope it's good. It's like around $65. I'll probably put a link in the description where you guys can buy it. Got it on Amazon. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. I'm gonna take this off the wrapping, plastic wrapping, and show you guys how it, you know, feels and stuff. Okay, so I took it out of the plastic. I am gonna be using this wired, if anybody was wondering, for now, since I do just use the Xbox. Maybe when I'm not playing competitive games on my PC, which I will be doing a PC building, then I'll probably do wireless. But for now, it's gonna be full on wired. I'm sure you guys, let's see how the keys feel like that. You know what? They actually feel like decently. They're pretty clicky, not gonna lie. It is a 60% keyboard, pretty sure I said that. But it is pretty nice. Like, I mean, it's decent. Like, I mean, I'm not an expert, but yeah, for me it feels really good. It's definitely an upgrade. Probably be good for gaming. I'm not sure if I can. Oh, I can rise it. Let me rise it up for you guys. Okay, there's not really a difference, but it does help a lot, and I think it's gonna be really good, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in with my mouse, and I'm gonna show you guys my mouse and the keyboard, and just, you know, me just playing averagely. I'm not gonna show gameplay, but, you know, I'm just gonna show you like how I would play and all like that. Okay, guys, so the keyboard is fine. As you can see, like, it works. You know, it's RGB. It's not that bright right now because I don't have it as bright. But I mean, see, we turn it on. You can obviously turn off the brightness with the buttons. Okay, so it is compatible with Xbox One, which that's what I'm using right now. But the thing is that when I plug it in wired, the RGB doesn't work. The keyboard works. I plug it in, I will show you guys, but it just doesn't work when it's like wired. Like, the RGB doesn't work when it's wired. I don't know if maybe I'm gonna try to fix that, but I'm gonna show you guys with my mouse how the keyboard looks, and it is good. It will work on, you know, it will work on PC. I've connected it to my phone. It works that way, and the RGB works. So there has to be a way I can make it work on the Xbox. Alright, so I set it up. This is my mouse. It's a Logitech mouse. Sorry I didn't do a review on it, but you know, I really, it's whatever. So I lined it up. You know, it's a pretty small keyboard like my other one. It was not that good, but you know, it was decent, alright, I guess. So there's how it is. It is connected to the Xbox. I'm gonna show you that it does work when I click the keys and everything. It just, I don't know why the RGB doesn't turn on. I've tried everything. It does turn on when it's in Bluetooth mode or wireless mode, whatever you want to call it. It probably will work better when I get my PC, but for now this is gonna have to do. But here, let me show you guys like that it works. See all the keys, you know, you'll obviously probably all the keys, even like if you click the windows, it comes up. So it works. I'm gonna show you guys how I usually hold all my stuff. Alright guys, so I did try getting on Modern Warfare, but clearly nothing wants to work for me today. So we're just gonna play Minecraft because those are the only two games I play on Xbox that support thing. But you know, this is pretty much how I play. I don't know if you guys can hear or not, but this is how I'm really just doing this just because I want to get practice before, like, you know, getting on PC and all like that. I don't know. I'll give this review probably a 4 out of 5. Like, if it was to scale of 5, 4 out of 5, just because everything was great. It feels great. Everything works. Whatever. Honestly, I really just got the keyboard mostly. It's mostly gonna be for the PC. Same with the mouse. This mouse you can also change the colors on. You just gotta download software. But other than that, you know, with this whole pandemic going on, I hope you guys are staying safe. And I just want to thank you guys for the support in the last video, even though, you know, it's not the biggest video in the world, but it still has like a decent amount of views, and I appreciate that. Okay guys, so this is just an update. I managed to get the keyboard working with you know, the Xbox connected. This is how it looks. It does RGB. Let me show you how it looks turning off. You know, it's for it being off, it's decently bright. You can also obviously change it, but just to show that it works. Yeah. See, clicking up and down, as you can see. So it was just an update. I like figured this out like over an hour ago, and I was like, you know, let me just make an update so people believe that it worked and it's not broken. But yeah, that's just an update, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe, please, and thank you to support the channel.